I'm well, thanks for checking on me, Falz.
Earlier on in the morning, around 11:50 a.m., while I was on Instagram Live, a couple thugs came. They were snatching phones and beating people at my polling unit. They snatched my phone, but I was able to get it back. That is the phone I'm using to do this video now. They destroyed a couple of ballot boxes before the military eventually arrived. The military were able to restore peace, and then we were able to vote. I just have a question. Maybe they say structure. They have the structure. They have all the structures in the world when it comes to political stuffs. What then happened? Why did you send your thugs? Labour won presidential, PDP won senatorial and House of Rep. I think Labour had like 100 and something votes, while the next was APC with like 30 votes in my polling unit. We voted, we stayed, waited for them to count the votes before we left. Let me know the situation reports in your area. Ikate Owa.